Namaste. In this video, we are going to demo how to do auto DMing on Instagram using a platform called Manychat. This video is almost a complete ripoff of another video by a YouTuber by the name of Joran Wouters. I think he's based out of the Netherlands. But anyhow, I'm making this video because I want to document my learning journey and show off to the world that I can do this skill too. Let's get it. Here is the Manychat landing page. Manychat is an automation tool for setting up automations across these social media networks: Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and TikTok. There might be a few others, but these are the primary ones. And in this video, we're going to be setting up a little automation on Instagram. So this is the Instagram account we will be using or testing with. And on this other browser window, I have logged into my Manychat account. Once you're logged into Manychat, you can link your social media accounts by coming over here and clicking create new account. And then you can click on the corresponding social media platform. And once you click the corresponding button, you'll be taken through an OAuth flow. I've already done this. And once you're done with it, your social media account will be linked with Manychat. And then you'll see something along these lines. This is your Manychat dashboard. And on this sidebar, you have the main pages that Manychat offers. The main one we're going to be using is this automation page. And you'll learn about these other ones in due time. Don't stress out about them. So let's click into the automation page and click this new automation button. When we click this new automation button, we're presented with a plethora of different automation templates, but we're going to be starting from scratch. We're going to be building this little automation from scratch. What we're implementing here is that classic move that you see on social media, whereby somebody makes a post and then asks the audience to leave a comment on that post with a specific keyword in exchange for some free value. The motivation behind why somebody would do this is manyfold. First, by asking people to leave a comment, it stimulates engagement on that post and triggers the algorithm on whatever social media platform you're working on to push that post out to more people. Once people leave a comment on that post, you as the poster can leave a reply to that comment, which further boosts engagement and triggers the algorithm to push the post out even further. Additionally, you can interpret that comment on your post as a lead of some sorts. And then you can follow up with whoever left that comment in their DMs. Depending on the social media platform, that also can be interpreted as more engagement and cause your content in certain ways to be pushed out even more too. Depending on how much further you want to go with this, you can also go back and forth in the DMs and eventually collect maybe a phone number or email and eventually get a meeting booked for your company. And eventually the goal is to convert some sort of sale, right? So the whole motivation behind this pretty much is to move people further into your sales funnel. Manychat can automate almost the entire process of what I just explained to you on Instagram pretty well. That's one of the main things that Manychat is known for. So let me show you how that works. Whenever making any automation, it's going to start with some sort of trigger. And the trigger we're going to go with is whenever somebody leaves a comment on one of our Instagram posts or reels. When you select this option in Manychat, you can customize it a little bit. And what we're going to do is say that you want this trigger to happen whenever someone leaves a comment on any of our posts or reels, right? So we're going to select this second option, then move on. And the trigger is going to be when somebody leaves a comment that includes this keyword, command. The name of one of my brands, aka the one we're testing with, is command. That's why I'm going with this keyword. And we can click continue. And this is where we can configure the automatic responses or replies to that comment. So it's nice to have a variety of them so that it doesn't look spammy on your Instagram page. I'll just leave these default, but you can customize them, right? You can click in here and customize them. So I'll click save, and that looks great. So what we're going to do now is add a smart delay. So this is another node offered by Manychat. And pretty much the logic behind this is you want to simulate a little bit of delay as if it was a human that was naturally responding. And just for testing purposes, we'll make the delay 3 seconds, but you can customize this to whatever you want it to be. And the way you link these nodes in this automation builder is pretty intuitive. You take the output and kind of drag it to the input of the next node you want. And we'll do the same thing here. And now that we have our trigger whereby somebody leaves a comment on one of our posts or reels with a specific keyword, and then we delay for a few seconds, the next thing we're going to do is send a DM with this content. So you are interested in receiving our sales brochure, comment brochure, and we'll send a link. This is pretty lame. You probably want to send something a little bit more exciting than a brochure. For example, a video, or maybe a discount code, or maybe an invite to an event. You know, you can play around with whatever makes sense for your company. And we're also going to add what's called a quick reply. So this is a feature on Instagram that's only supported on the mobile app. And it's going to show a little button beneath the message. And the mobile app user can click that button instead of typing out whatever the text is on that button. And that's the thing about Instagram. Some of the features are supported on mobile, and some of the features are supported on desktop. Most features are supported on both, but there's some quirks. So anyways, once somebody responds with this other keyword of brochure, we are then going to send the final message of this automation. And we're going to say, here is the brochure. Yep. And we'll link this here. And we're looking good. So we can enable this. So now it's set up. And let's run a quick test. Here I am on my mobile phone. And let's come over to another account that I own. And go over to the CMD Labs Instagram page. And let's come over to one of the posts and leave a comment with that special keyword of command. And if this works, we should see an automatic reply. And there we go. Look at that. And this is that quick reply feature that I was talking about. So if we respond with brochure, we should get another response back with the link to the brochure. Right? Fantastic. Because the desktop version of Instagram doesn't have that little quick reply feature, we have to do a little hack to get it working on desktop. So first, what we're going to do is rename this first automation to be called Brochure Funnel Part A. And then let's come over to our Manychat dashboard and create another automation. We're going to start from scratch for this one as well. And let's name this one Brochure Funnel Part B. The trigger for this automation is going to be when somebody sends us a message with the keyword brochure. And we only want it to trigger when the message begins with the keyword brochure, right? It has to be all caps. So when that happens, we're going to send the link to the brochure. And we can set that live now and test it out. So here is the command Instagram page. So I'm going to use another brand that I own to test this out. So let's visit the CMD Labs page and come to one of the posts, for example, this one. And let's leave a comment with that first keyword of command. And there we go. So we got our automated response. And by the way, we also got our automated reply too. So the automated DM says, so you are interested in receiving our sales brochure, comment brochure, and we'll send a link. So if we send a message that starts with brochure, we should get the link to the brochure sent to us. And there it is. And here's the brochure. And yeah, so that's an introduction to Manychat. And once again, big shout out to Joran Wouters out of Netherlands. I think he's from Netherlands. He is the king of this Manychat stuff. Definitely go check out his channel. He has a ton of variations of how you can use Manychat. And he's been doing this professionally for many clients for a number of years now. So once again, props to him. Leave a comment letting me know what you want to see next from the channel, and peace.